Here it is there, big boy. Got that chrome, see that chrome on them throttle, son? Got that chrome shining. It ain't cool if the chrome don't shine. Turn your phone sideways. Engine RPMs. Got some right here too. RPMs, port, shaft, port, center, starboard. Got some sounders going on out there. Reading real good. Laid against the hill out there. Got her kickstand down, taking a break. Today, Junior. Sunday afternoon.
It's Miranda Lambert settling down at number 20.
Sure wish I had some fried chicken.
And fellow country star Jake Owen may be settling down personally now.
Electronic chart.
That happened over the holiday season, but Jake's career is not settling down.
River Crash Edison.
Branching out, as a matter of fact. He is
Right there below Nebraska Point. Virtual buoys. Them was set on the chart at like 26 foot on Caruthersville gauge. 7.6 today. Slow fall. He should have been coming off of Cherokee over here. Steering right down here toward that trail dike over here toward Bob Stewart's bar. Come right down there the easy side right there. And steer up on that corner down here. Steer right on around. No problem. On down around Little Cypress, Carry. Right on around the bar. 35 loads I did it the other day, no problem. Starboard radar. Set on a mile. I keep it on a mile so I don't have to use searchlight at night. Keep it up with it. Radios. Captain's chair. Captain. I like sitting this low rider right here. Kick back when we got our kickback going on. Computer. Log. You see all them log entries, don't you? Run codes. VPUs, WREs, SRCs, LGRs. Starboard radar set on 2 mile range. Robinson Bayou area here. Oh, here you go, Janet. I got one for you right here. Check this out. Oh, I need to go to the restroom. Huh? Where do I go? I'm in this, up here in this jail cell. Can't go nowhere. Go to the restroom. But, oh, for my surprise, look over here. There's a cabinet over here. I wonder what's in here. Let's just see what's in here. Well, I sure do have to use the restroom really, really bad. Oh, surprise! Look, there's a toilet. Huh. Got it all. Ain't that something? Yeah, you got some coffee machine going on back here. Sink. Got that coffee stand hot with that napkin over the top of it, wet, see? Keeps that coffee nice and hot and steamy. Got this little microwave right here where you cook us up some popcorn. Fried chicken. We can just fry some chicken in there. How about that? A little couch. And take back, kick back, take a nap. Pilot out. 360-degree view. Hardwood floors. Check them out. Oh, check this out. Tell me this ain't a waste of damn money. Floor mat, door mats. Like we don't know what boat we're on. David A. Lewis Jr. some bitches right there was $220 a piece to have them made up. Waste. Just wasting damn money. Nothing over here. David A. Lewis Jr. Boat anchor. Ha! This is some tow out here. 20 loads, 15 empties. 5 long, 4 wide loads. Empties on top. 7 long.
Made for you, number 28 on the Crooked Chase countdown.
Oh, cloudy, just wintry looking day out there. Rain's coming. It's supposed to be raining its ass off tonight, they said. But that's what we're doing. Kicking back. Fix to go hand me some chicken noodle soup and crackers. Right on.
The Doodle Doggy also has her own Instagram handle, Grand Lil Opry. That's L-I-L, Grand Lil Opry, so check her out.
Oh, and Charlie, since social media is going to the dogs, obviously, update here. If you've been missing Brett Eldridge's dog, Edgar, well,
They're talking
he's
about
fine.
dogs.
He's alive and well, but Brett says Edgar is now retired from social media, just enjoying life these days. Social media is a chore. These two guys are best buddies. Nothing like the love of a dog.
There you go.
The way the world just stopped right here in midair. I'll never want to move. You put the cold in the breeze. You put the weak here in my knees. You put me right where I'm supposed to be. In your blue I see, and I wanna sail away. When I wake up in the middle of the night, you holding me so tight. They pull me round like sure feels good to love.
And as always, God bless America. Oh, today, Junior, COVID free. COVID free on the boat anchor. There's the bow of the boat. Got all the safety yellow markings. Cabinars. Mississippi River, Old Man River. Rain's coming anytime. It's supposed to be raining its ass off tonight. Rain, rain, rain. It was sure pretty yesterday though. Man, it was pretty sunny. Got up to about 60, something like that. Nice. But that's what we do. We do. When we can. When we can't. We just put it on the hill, kick back, put a kickstand down, take a break.